What up, fishes? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm taking you on a ride along with my Super 73. Why everyone should have one of these, especially during a pandemic. Let's go! Now we're at Red Reef Park, one of the many parks here on the water. There's Gumbo Limbo, Red Reef, Spanish River, Veterans Park down west, and Palmetto. A bunch of really cool parks that I really didn't explore and I grew up, but obviously now it's beautiful and real estate's booming, South Florida's booming. Everyone's trying to get some kind of piece of land, but they really preserve it nicely. All these trails are free. Even this park here, they have grills, all the PVC pipes. You can go fishing. Definitely bring a nice group of people here. Right across here is a little island where people are hanging out, swinging off the rope. Cool stuff. So yeah, the bike lets me explore all these cool things. Didn't occur to me while living in New York, while it was the greatest thing in the city, but to take it off-road or take it like kind of, yeah, literally off-road into the sand and into the dirt, these tires totally allow it. It's low to the ground. The bike is super solid. When I saw this thing, I had to get it. It's the coolest thing ever. Kind of a geek when it comes to technology. Not so much like the iPhone and stuff like that, but I own a boosted board, a skateboard. That's how I broke my elbow. Another Casey Neistat, item I saw. But yeah, this bike is so much fun. Pretty safe, a lot more safe than an electric skateboard. And they're just easy. They got pedals, so you don't get pulled over. It's the best thing because the bike was invented. Now to have this, and this is the battery pack right here, I can go 30 miles distance, probably more if you pedal. I'm just too lazy. And I can top out by 25 miles an hour, 28. Even got these sweet pegs. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And put a cushion back here, or a speaker, depending on what I'm doing. Check out these boats. Africat. Africat? Oh, no way! Oh, that's so good! I forget? I forget? You know, he goes, no, I forget. Oh, wow. Yeah, stick to what you're good at, Dave.
Honey, where'd you leave the champagne?
I forget. That's like a dad joke. That's totally a dad joke. Oh, what's that guy? Hey, Cam. I can't remember where my boat is. I forget. I forget. That's that guy. I forgot his name, but funny channel. Yeah, and now it's a pandemic, as you can see. It's a pandemic, and it's this is a fun thing you can do by yourself, and you can get away from people, and everyone's been cooped up inside. So I think about it. If like New York City was fun, I was like, oh man, this is not gonna be fun in Florida. But I started exploring all these little back roads and going on the beach. And once in a while, I even bring in my boat and I'll go somewhere and get off my boat and use it and explore the town. But that's what it's about. It's about exploring. And this lets you go anywhere. Most bikes can't get over those curves and all those, the grass and the gravel. This bike, no problem. And like I said, you're low to the ground, so you can even take a spill. You're gonna be all right. Concrete's your worst enemy. So off-road is even better. And I think about riding around maybe like California. And German in Venice, awesome channel. He has like this little mini bike, but I want to ride with you, German in Venice. Let's do it. No, 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 no. And for the ultimate exploring machine, Super73 gets it done. Highly recommend it. Definitely pick one up. And if you like that episode and you want to see more, subscribe, like, and ring the notification bell. Till next time, I'll be in the ocean.